To begin our video, we decide to connect with our inner creativity and start with Allison dancing with glow sticks in the dark.
Next, we turned on the lights in order to show shadows. We shined various colors on Olivia while she stood there. We used red, green, and blue. On the shadows there was penumbra, which is when the light was not able to pass through the object. There was also an umbra, which wasn't very noticeable due to the distance away from the light source. We also took various colors such as red and green to show additive. Red and green made yellow, green and blue made cyan, and red and blue made magenta.
We then turned on all three lights to produce the white light. The percussion instruments portrayed here are the cup and the maraca. The cup produced its sound by vibrating against the wooden tray and had a higher pitch than the maraca. The maraca produced its pitch by the rice in the cup vibrating, and it had a lower pitch.
We first used a convex lens. When the convex lens was close to the camera, the image appeared upright and virtual. It was also big. As the image moved closer to the focal point, or the lens, there was no image that appeared. Right past the focal point, the image was slightly big. As it moved farther away and closer to Olivia, the image began to appear smaller. The image was also real and inverted. We next used a concave lens. There was only a virtual image that appeared, and it was also smaller than the object itself.
Well, you see here, we had a string instrument, but it did not hold up while being played.
It had some, let's say, technical difficulties.
So we used a slinky instead to show the transverse wave.
A transverse wave moves perpendicular to the medium, which means it forms 90-degree angles.
The crest is the high density areas, while the trough is the low density areas.
Which means that the crest is the coils that are close to each other at the end, and the trough is located in the middle where the coils are far apart.
We then experimented with a makeup mirror which had a flat mirror on one side and a curved mirror on the other.
We were able to see an upright virtual image as well as an inverted real image.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this overview into our physics project.
And I hope you enjoyed our musical talents as well.
And good night to our lovely partners, Allison Follett
and Olivia Norton, who had to make bedtime. Signing off, this is
Mason LeMay
and Holly Crop.